what is what as a information provided to you on the suture packet. 30. What is this? It is the USP suture size. That means the gauge of the suture needle. Now, this 30 is indicative of moderate thickness, which is used in case of soft tissue closures like bowel or skin, subcutaneous tissues. Larger the gauge, thinner the needle. Second is this SH. It is the needle code. SH is indicative of a small half circle needle. What is this 26 millimeter? It is the length of the needle. Half circle. This is already we have talked about. That means the curvature of the needle is half circle. And finally, the taper point, which is used obviously for the soft tissue. So this is the information which is provided to you on the packet itself. This symbol is indicative of taper point needle. And this black dot which is present inside this circle is indicative of needle position. This is the left side and this is the right side. So needle is positioned on the left side. So you have to open the suture from the right side. Then undyed. It is not colored. So vicryl, when it is not colored, is white in color, and when it is colored, it could be violet in color. So here we are having a undyed vicryl. So it is indicative of the thread color. Then braided is a multi-filamentous structure. It is not a monofilament. Then is the nature of the thread, that is absorbable suture. This is what we have already talked about.